Hello and welcome to WPLMS tutorials. In this tutorial we're going to learn how the parent user add-on works in the WPLMS version 4. So first see what the parent user add-on is. So a parent user add-on is an add-on for the parents who have the access to a special dashboard wherein they can see how their children are progressing in your WPLMS site. So here you can see I have the parent user activated and this is the parent area, and here the user has added 2 children, and when we click on any one of these children you can see the dashboard which loads up the student data, and on switching the user's data for her ward loads up. So let's see how this works. So first you will need to install the parent user add-on and activate the add-on. So once you have activated the add-on, you have to go to appearance and menu section, and in the menus you can find the parent menu item in the BuddyPress section, and you can add this parent item to the menu. After adding the parent item to the menu, you have to clear the BuddyPress cache from the YBP settings. Since the parent user will be a specific member of your site, we recommend enabling the member types and creating a special member type for the parent user. Also, we recommend that you enable the different menu by member types option, and in the menu which loads up for the parent you can add the parent menu item. So only parent gets to see the parent menu item which shows the progress and other details of our ward in the site. So once you have done that, if you now go to your site in the parent, you can see that there is a section which is claim your ward, and here you need to enter the child claim code. Now as a child, the claim code will lie in the profile settings, and in the profile settings child can see the parent claim code. So this is the code the child needs to give to the parent. So let's remove one child and add the child. So here we can copy. So this claim code the child will need to give to the parent in order for parent to claim the ward as the child. So here we can see we have added the child, and when we view the child you can see the entire dashboard loads up. This dashboard comprises of widgets that you set in the appearance widgets. So you'll see a parent sidebar, and in this parent sidebar you'll need to add the widgets. So these are all the student widgets which you will add in the parent sidebar, and the data it will show will be for the selected child in the parent menu item. So that's it from WPLMS tutorials. Thanks for watching.